Heating corn tortillas perfectly every time.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss the best way to heat corn tortillas without them breaking. This simple process will transform your cooking experience and make your tacos, enchiladas, and other dishes even more enjoyable.
Why do corn tortillas break?
Before we dive into the heating process, it's important to understand why corn tortillas break. Corn tortillas break when they aren't heated properly because the lack of heat leaves them brittle. They need to be heated to become pliable and ready for your favorite fillings.
What do you need to heat corn tortillas?
Heating corn tortillas isn't a complicated task, and it doesn't require much. You'll need corn tortillas, a stovetop or a microwave, a damp paper towel, if using a microwave, tongs, if using a stovetop. Remember to keep safety first. Always use kitchen utensils safely and appropriately.
How to heat corn tortillas on a stovetop?
Heating corn tortillas on a stovetop is a quick method that often results in delicious, flexible tortillas. Here are the steps. 1. Preheat a non-stick pan or a cast iron skillet over medium heat. 2. Place a corn tortilla onto the dry pan. No oil or butter is needed. 3. Heat the tortilla for about 30 seconds, then flip it using your tongs. 4. Heat the other side for an additional 30 seconds. 5. Remove the heated tortilla and place it in a tortilla warmer or a clean kitchen towel to keep it warm and flexible.
How to heat corn tortillas in a microwave?
Heating corn tortillas in a microwave is another easy method, especially when you want to heat multiple tortillas at once. Here are the steps. 1. Wrap a stack of corn tortillas in a damp paper towel. The moisture from the paper towel will help to steam the tortillas, making them pliable. 2. Place the wrapped stack in the microwave. 3. Heat them on high for about 30 seconds. If they're not warm enough or pliable after 30 seconds, continue heating them in 10-second increments until they reach the desired temperature and flexibility. 4. Remove the tortillas from the microwave. Be careful, they might be hot, and place them in a tortilla warmer or a clean kitchen towel to keep them warm and flexible. And there you have it, the best ways to heat corn tortillas without them breaking. Whether you prefer the stovetop method or the microwave method, these techniques will give you flexible and delicious corn tortillas perfect for your dishes. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips make your cooking experience more enjoyable. Happy cooking!